All right, you were making this driving game where we're going driving in the straight line. I want to turn this into a night driving game with, so first thing we're going to do is add headlights. So let's see how to add headlights to my car and how to add headlights to the traffic cars. So this is my car. I'm going to add a light here. First thing we're going to do is go and search for the directional light, and I'll simply delete that so things will go dark. So the texture luckily is in such a way that the headlight is sort of shining, but there's no light coming out. Now I'm going to go to game object, light, and I'm going to pick spotlight. So this spotlight, I'm going to place it somewhere near my front headlight. So this is too low, take it outside the road, bring it closer to my light. And I think this is just fine. I'll rotate this. You could see some lines which depict the direction of the light of the spotlight, but I don't see any light falling on the road. So I'm gonna change so if you see the inspector, I'm gonna change number one, intensity of the light to something very high. You could see the light coming out now with intensity 164. I'm going to make it like 300 or 350. This is the intensity. I'm going to increase the range as well so that this light could hit as far as this range. You could see, yeah, something like that. And obviously this is one headlight. Let's bring it closer. And I'm going to duplicate this light to be on the second one as well. So these are my headlights now. Obviously, I want these lights to move with my car. So this spotlight and this spotlight from the hierarchy, I'm going to drag them up and make them the child of my car. Like that. Similarly, I can duplicate these two lights, move them here, bring them aligned to this traffic car here. These two should align with this car. Something like that. And well, these two lights should actually be child of this traffic 15. So I'll take these two lights and drag them into traffic 15. Now you can see these two cars have headlights. None of the other cars have. Let's save the scene and try to run the scene now. You should be able to see some headlights working for my car and for the traffic car. Please note the headlights are working when I go closer to a car in the front. You should see these lights shining the tail of the other car. You see that? Yeah, just like that. And it's illuminating the road. It's illuminating the other cars, just like a real headlight. So that's how you create headlights on your car and on the traffic car.